Hi everyone, welcome to my classroom moment. So today we are going to be looking at a very interesting topic, and that is les sept continents, the seven continents. Of course, not a strange topic, isn't it? Les sept continents, the seven continents. Of course, you are aware of the seven continents in English language, but are you aware what these continents are called in French language? So we're going to take a look at each of the continents of the world. And the first on our list is l'Amérique du Nord, North America. L'Amérique du Nord, North America. The second, l'Amérique du Sud, South America. And the third, l'Afrique, Africa. Africa, our great continent. Africa. Oh, oh I remember. Okay, l'Australie, Australia, Australia. L'Asie, Asia, l'Asie, Asia, l'Asie, Asia. L'Europe, Europe, Europe, Europe. And then l'Atlantique. Pause, catch your breath. Let's go over this because this is quite a tricky word. Tell me, because there was a breach or a pause in between my pronunciation. That is to tell you that even me as an educator, I think I have. Okay, let's digress a bit before we come to this. Now, I have this drill that works for me. So for certain English words that I feel like they are quite difficult to pronounce or get it right at my first pronunciation, what I do is I take a deep breath, and for such words, I am not so quick to pronounce them. That is my own drill. I don't know what works for you, but I feel like for some complex English words, and that is pronunciation wise, not even written expression. Pronunciation wise, there are certain words that are quite difficult to pronounce. So my drill for such words is whenever I want to pronounce it, I catch my breath, I go over it one step at a time. So that's why I said, you see this? We've gone over others. L'Amérique du Nord, l'Amérique du Sud, and the likes of it. But then here we have to take a pause so that we can get it correct. Because we are learning this language as non-native speakers, right? It's not a lingua franca. So we have to take all the caution in learning it. So l'Antarctique. That's why I didn't have to go over it with so much excitement. L'Antarctique, Antarctica, l'Atlantique, Antarctica. And so that is all about it. Do you know, I love repetition. Yes, I love repetition. In fact, as an educator, currently I feel like repetition has to be my most prioritized figure of speech. Yes, because I have to keep going over this so that we can get the pronunciation. Because it's not like English language that is our official language or our lingua franca. We are learning this language as non-native speakers. Now, mother tongue, now first language. So they need to go over it one step at a time. So I'm going to go over it again, starting from the topic of the day, which is les sept continents, the seven continents. Continent is called continent in English language. Number one, l'Amérique du Nord, North America. L'Amérique du Sud, South America. L'Afrique, our own Africa. L'Afrique, Africa. L'Australie, Australia. L'Asie, Asia. L'Europe, Europe. L'Antarctique, Antarctica. And so that will be all on this topic. Not so fast, right? So please do not forget to go over this video as many times as you can. And that is so you can know how each of these continents are being pronounced. Remember, I think because we are from Africa, I mean, I'm from Africa as a continent. I'm from Nigeria, and so my country is under Africa as a continent. So I think of all of these continents in the world, Africa is so easy. L'Afrique, l'Afrique. Yeah, it's not like Antarctica. L'Afrique so easy. So, but others, you have to go through it so that you know how these words are pronounced. That will be the end of today's class. Thank you for choosing to stay with me. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your shares. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, hello, qu'est-ce que c'est? What's the issue? Please give this video a thumbs up. Yes. Thank you for always choosing to stay with us.